I'm all hot and sweaty. It's a pretty big day for me. I'll show you here in a little bit. "16 feet from bow to stern." It's my 1960 Barracuda aluminum boat. Previous owner got her kitted out a little bit, got a lot of accessories with it, like trolling motor, new battery. It's 5.5 horse. He says it doesn't run right, but or he said it needs work. Runs but needs work. So that's what we're gonna mess with today on my brand new boat, my first boat. Since I was told this ran and I got a video of it running, I'm not even gonna check compression, check anything. One thing I am gonna do, and this is a big thing on line trimmers, dirt bikes, any of this old two-stroke stuff, your chainsaws. First thing you do when something's sat and you don't know the condition of it is dump that two-stroke mix out, dump that fuel out, put fresh fuel in it. He said it ran like this, then it got worse, blah, 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 blah. Maybe he's had that same two-stroke mix in it for a year, and he's trying to tune it and get it running on that. Before I do anything, then I'm just going to get this gas out, get rid of it, and then put fresh stuff in. And I'm going to mix it 50-1. That's what the internet and Evan Root, I guess, suggested. A lot of old timers were like, 24-1. We're going 50-1 with modern gas. And I didn't even buy good gas. Sheets 87 for this thing. The triaxle traffic is going off right now. I need a funnel. I thought there was a 2-line and a 1-line fuel system for these. And this tank has this return line. I don't know if that's just a vent or if that's for vacuum. Take a look at this fuel while we're at it. Ooh, it looks like fresh fuel. It smells okay too. But you can never be sure. It looks super rich. It looks super blue. I like gas on my shoes. Yeah, thank you. I will not be afraid to clog up my catalytic converters with this stuff. This will dump either right in my lawnmowers or right into the one of my vehicles. Well, I'm not recommended, and some people argue. Modern car will chew up some crap gas. We used to do it a lot at the bike shop. If we had questionable gas, you know, I'd drain out, say 3 gallons out of a quad or 4 or 5 gallons out of a side-by-side because we didn't know. It'd go right in my vehicle. And we will use this in something else. Like 3 gallon in there, 2 gallon. And I'm going to mix up a fresh batch with Yamalube 2R. Okey-doke. So the batteries to all my cameras apparently are dead, so I don't have a mic right now. I'm using my phone. We're rigging up our, I don't know if they make muffs for these old engines, but I'm doing the old bucket trick here. I've never even gotten this boat yet. I've never even stood in it. So this is gonna be me the first time trying to start it. I don't know anything about the high and lows. I assume it's sort of like a chainsaw, but where to start, set them, because I was twinking them around. I don't know. So here we go. Okay, I think there's enough water. I'm gonna set the mixer screws in the middle. I didn't pay attention where they were when I just started tweaking them around. And try to start this thing. Loaded up. That was my first start. I have an impeller kit coming. I didn't see it pumping water yet. I have a carb kit coming. What you saw there is about all I could get it to do. I'm sorry, what the? She leaned out, she like cleared herself out on me. I don't want to run it too long without no, I don't think it's pumping water, but he's idling. It's pretty hot. I don't know what happened there when it like leaned out on me though. Maybe it isn't getting enough fuel. You see here, this carb is all wet. So like I probably said 6 times already, got a carb kit coming, an impeller or water pump kit, impeller. I don't know. Again, very new to boats. No idea what I'm talking about. Because I didn't see it pumping water. I don't know if it's deep enough. And I see this is all wet, so I'm gonna pull it for now before I overheat it and burn it up, because it does run. Well, the good news is our impeller's working. I'm just glad we got good water sprayers now. We got cooling. Heck yeah. So I got that Evinrude problem figured out by repowering to a Tohatsu 20 horse. This is my first time launching a boat. I didn't film it. I was scared. Operating a boat completely alone. Besides, I never even think I took a canoe out alone or a kayak out alone. I mean, I was by myself in a kayak, but this is my first time boating. I am 40 years old for the record, and this is my boat. She takes on a little water, but not enough for me to be worried about. I actually renewed my fishing license yesterday, so I'm gonna do a little fishing. Okay, here's the plan. Since I don't have much for bait, I'm gonna try to catch a bluegill or something on, you know, almost nothing. You can catch them. Then I can cut it up to catch something legit. Neat. This boat does plane out. I can feel it when you go fast enough. The bow drops down, which is what it's supposed to do. There you have it, first time boating solo on a real boat. First time dropping one in the water, first time taking it back out. I know I didn't film it, you're gonna think I'm lying, but I did it all on my own. Watched a couple YouTube videos, seen it done before. Tohatsu acted a little funny, but it cleared up. It's really cool. I'm really happy with today's experience. I came on a Monday, so really no one else is here at this boat launch except one other truck. There was like 5 people here when I came. And we're at Yellow Creek, and I'm headed home now. August 14th, 2025 at approximately 1:15 p.m. This boat is christened Nightmare. Today I'm at Glendale Lake. I just got one. Never been on this lake, you know me, I'm new. But I'm catching bait fish right now to use. I don't know if you probably can't hear that, he's flopping it. Ooh. Hold on. Probably pulled the mealworm off. There's a ton of bluegill up in here. I just need them for cut bait. It's a long-eared sunfish. I'm gonna let that boy go. He's beautiful. Oof. Can't even lip him. So little. Look at that guy.
We moved spots. I didn't want to keep any more small panfish, so we have our one small bluegill. I'm going to cut him up, use him for bait. I got to put on like a catfish rig first, and hopefully I'm not in weeds here. I'm going to maybe fish out that way. It should be hitting 30 feet out there, I think, if I read the chart right. So still a great day either way. Anyhow, here's my big piece of cut bluegill on a slip weight, putting her out in the deep, seeing what happens.
Good, how are you?
You guys sharing the board or what's going on?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, man.